Okay, as you can see, the wheel came out. Unfortunately, I couldn't set the camera up properly. You see that I have a milk crate underneath the ends of the swing arm. What I did is I sat down on the floor facing the bike, and I used my legs and also this crowbar, and I put it underneath the tire like this and had to lift it up and forward. The tire is over here. As you can see, this road is in pretty bad shape. Just show you a bit of a visual if I can. Argument's sake, if the tire was mounted, let's see what we can do here. Like this. Alright. It'll be underneath you. You want to put this underneath you like this the best you can and lift this wheel up and forward. A lot easier than it sounds. After that, this belt will loosen and it will come right off. Now we go to the machine shop in order to get this little baby out that snapped on me. So